What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have Hoax by Taylor Swift. It's better I don't spell it, I don't pronounce it because I don't know how to pronounce that. So therefore, if I spell it, that's enough. So this song obviously by Taylor Swift, saw that she has released a new album and I'm just gonna do that by tomorrow. And obviously did many, so make sure to have a look at the playlist. And I just saw that in the songs there's not much sort of a guitar you can actually play. It's all about piano going over here, so therefore I just want to try and interpret that and put that in all these songs. So make sure to subscribe, and you know I'm not like the others, I show you a detailed lesson how to play that on a song. So drawing one of these, let's get started. For this song we need the keyboard on the first fret to make the chords super easy, and if you just have a look at the chords, here it is. First chord is the A minor, which is mute, open, second, second, 1, open. Then you have a G, which is 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. Then a C, mute, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. Then a D, mute, mute, open, second, third, second. Then E minor, 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. Now that's it for the chords. If you just have problem, you can just pause the video, have a look at the chords, and you can just then practice changing from the chord position and all. So if you just have a look at the structure, we start off with the intro, then the verse, then the chorus, then a verse, then a chorus, then a bridge, and the chorus. That's what the song is about. We have one part to learn verse, and another is the chorus. So let's drop into it. For the verse, our chord progression will be a A minor, then a G, then a C, then a D. So we got A minor, G, C, D. So I like to do one down on each chord, and that will be enough for the verse and even for the bridge, because we have the same thing for the bridge going on, one down. So what you can do is you can just have a look at the synth wave over here. This actually goes on the piano, so we can just play it over here. It's actually a first fret on the B string, open on the B string, second fret on the G string, open, G string. Now it comes basically before the A minor chord and before the C major chord. So we start off with A minor, G, C, D, one down each chord. So we go A minor, G, play that, C, D, and that's how you just go for the verse on the bridge. Super easy. So once more from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's have a look at the chorus for the chorus part. So for the chorus, our chord progression will be a E minor, then a D, then the G, then again a G. And we repeat the whole chord progression twice, and after that we have A minor, G, C, D. Repeat that twice, and throughout the whole song this goes on in a loop for the chorus and for the chorus, pretty much for the chorus. Now string pattern kind of is very easy. It's actually a soft down, don't strum loud because it's not like that kind of song. So you can just do 4 downs so softly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, like that, and you can just go. So let's see how the chorus sounds with this chord. 1, 2, let's go. that's likely almost everything you need for the song. So there's nothing much to learn the song. I told you, I just heard the song, likely all of them, but I see there hardly any guitar parts to play except for that August song we had. I already did a guitar tutorial on the song because I heard a bit of chord shapes strumming going on, so I did just that interpret of that one. So make sure to check out one of the video, drop me one of these, and I'll see you guys back in my very next video. Till then, bye.